fifth graders. I was just sitting here coloring in my mandala and listening to my beautiful, relaxing meditation music. If you remember last class, we talked about radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means that an object or a design has symmetry all the way around and it radiates out or starts from a central point or a central axis. Your mandalas that you made had 6 different pieces of pie or 6 different sections, and each section had radial symmetry and was symmetrical with the section next to it. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to color in our mandalas using some of the blending techniques that we learned in lesson 1 of the dot. And we're going to color our mandalas in to look like color wheels. I want you to keep these color wheels as reference for your reference throughout the year in art. To color your color wheel, you're going to need a couple shades of red, a couple shades of orange, 2 or 3 shades of yellow, and same with green, blue, and purple or violet. The way I colored my first color wheel was very straightforward. I didn't blend any colors. I just used 2 or 3 shades of each color in each section. But the way I colored my second mandala was a little bit different. I like to write on my paper, just in pencil, the different section initials. So for R for red, Y for yellow, etc. I do this for a couple of reasons. The first reason is I get so busy coloring that I forget what I'm doing. I get in this coloring zone. And the second reason is I wanted to blend my colors on this color wheel. So for example, between orange and yellow, I wanted to make that section yellow-orange, and I didn't want to forget to do that. Let me show you what I did. In the middle of my red section, I colored with red crayon, and then very lightly towards the edges, going towards purple and also going towards orange, I put a little bit more red. Then I took my red-orange crayon and colored closer to my orange, but I colored that section in between those two red-orange. Then I colored orange in the middle of my orange section. And I went over my red and my red-orange with yellow because I wanted to blend those colors. What do you think I'm going to do next? I'm going to grab my yellow-orange and color that second part of my orange category with yellow-orange. And then I'm going to go over that yellow-orange with yellow. Now I'm going to color the middle of my yellow section with yellow and go over that a little bit with orange. And I'm going to keep going all the way around my color wheel. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. And where each of those color sections meet, I overlap my color. And I actually cheated a little bit because I have the 64 box of crayons, so I was able to use crayon colors like yellow-orange, yellow-green, blue-violet, blue-green, colors like that Crayola has already mixed for me. But even though I had those colors in my crayon box, I still have to overlap the basic colors like red and orange in order to blend in those areas where those two colors meet. So you can color your mandala color wheel using either color scheme you want. If you like blending the colors, you can practice that. If you just want to put 2 or 3 different oranges in your orange section in your different designs, you're welcome to do that too. It's your color wheel, so you can color it however you want. So your goal for today is to get your mandala color wheel all finished and colored completely in. Which one of the art elements do you think we used today? That's right. If you said color, I think you're right. Some of you used shape if you colored in each of your different designs or shapes different colors. So your color wheel should have 3 primary colors. Does anybody remember what they are? Red, yellow, and blue. And it should also have 3 secondary colors. Do you guys remember what those are? If you said orange, green, and violet, you're correct. Very good. All right, 5th graders, that's about it for today. Remember to save your color wheels for reference, and I will see you next time.